Hello all. Today I will show you how to use the toast and button. Whenever user click on the button, I want to display the toast, but toast with the different color and with the different background. So whenever user click on the one button that is blue, I want to display the toast with the blue background and white text color. And whenever user click on red button, I want to display the toast with the red background and white text color. So let's start with the Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on create new project. Then you can choose the empty activity. Then you can click on the next. Here you can just give the name of your application is toast button demo. You can choose the language. I will demonstrate the same concept in Java. So you can choose the language Java and then you can click on finish. First of all, let me move to the design. So I'm just clicking on minimize over here. You can click on activity main. Here you can just click on show system user interface. Then you can just click on split. Here you can simply remove this particular text view. So you can simply remove this. Then here you can just simply drag and drop the button on the top corner and then you can click on that is infer constraint. Simply you can use the width that is match parent. So your button will be stretched up to the width. Then you can take one more button that I am putting over here in the bottom. Then you can just simply click on infer constraint. Again, you can just set the attribute that is match parent in the layout width. So your button will be stretched. I'm just giving the text of this button is that is blue button. So I'm just giving the text that is blue and here I am writing the text that is red. Whenever user click on this blue, I want the blue toast. And whenever user click on red, I want the red toast. So how to do the same? Let's start with the same. First of all, you can just create an instance of button over here. So you can write button b1 is equal to find view by id, r.id dot the name of button. Whenever user click on this button, so you can write button one dot set on click listener. Then you can write simply new control space view dot on click listener. Whenever user click on button, what you want to do? Here you can just create an instance of toast that is t1 is equal to toast dot make text. Then here you can write that is get application context. Here you can pass the message. For example, I am writing the message that is Atmiye University. Then here you can write toast dot length underscore long. Simply this variable t1 is created now. Now here for the text purpose, you can just create a view v1 is equal to that is your toast name that is t1 dot you can simply get the view. So you can write t1 dot get view. Once view is created, then you can simply create an instance of text view that is text is equal to. Now you can simply write your view one dot find view by id. Now inbuilt id for the text message that is toast message is android.r.id.message. Now here you can simply write that is this is the text, right? So you can simply write text dot set text color. Which color you want to set? I want to set the color that is for example red. And then simply you can write you can call the method that is your toast name dot show. So your toast will be displayed. Let me first test it is working properly or not. What I did, whenever user click on the button, that is the first button that is blue, I want to display the toast. So whenever user click on blue, see what happens, see Atmi University is coming the message over here, but it is in the bottom, right? So I want it in a center. So here you can write simply that is toast dot that is toast name is Steven dot set gravity. And here you can just write gravity dot that is a center. Here you can set the x offset and y offset and then you can rerun your application. Whenever you rerun your application, you people will be able to see that what happens. See, whenever I click on blue, Atmi University is coming over here. But what happens, see, whenever you click on blue, the toast is available over here in the center, but the text is, that is red. I want the text is white and I want the background that is red. So how to set the background? It is very simple. Whenever you want to set the background, you can simply write over here, that is v1 dot get background, that is your toast dot get background. Dot, you can call the function that is set color filter. Here in color filter, you can pass the color that you want in the background. I want the color that is blue. Then we can set the graphics, that is Android graphics ported up. Dot, you can set the mode, that is SRC in. Once your graphics is set as a, that is the background is set with the blue color. Now you can test your application. Whenever you click on blue, what I will see, blue Atmi University, that is background is blue, and the text is white. Even you can increase the font using the text dot set text size function. Here you can just pass, for example, 20. So whenever you pass text size 20, your Atmi University message will be look bigger. So your font will be increased. See here, Atmi University, blue background and the text is white. But whenever user click on red button, I want over here, that is the red toast. So very simple, you can just simply copy this particular code and you can paste over here. What we want to do, whenever user click on this button number 2, so I'm just creating the instance of B2. Whenever user click on button number 2, I want the background is not blue, but I want the background is red, right? And now you can test your application. What happens, see, whenever user click on the first button that is blue, the message will be, that is Atmi University in blue, right? That is blue background and white text color. But whenever user click on red, it will be red toast. See, right? So Atmi University is in red. Whenever you click on blue, you will get blue toast. And whenever user click on red, you will get the red toast. So this is the way you can create the toast with the custom message and with the custom style. So this is the way you can implement the button and toast in the Android. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.